Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Brian and I'm going to teach you guys how to play Without You by the Kid Laroi. This song is in standard tuning and consists of 4 chords. And those chords are A minor, F major 7th, C major, and G. And now the strumming pattern to piece it all together is going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. I said the last down, up a little bit faster because those are the last 2 strums before switching chords. And as simple as that, you can actually be playing along with the song. Now, when it comes to the strumming pattern, friendly reminder, you guys don't have to follow exactly what I did. Feel free to put your own twist on it, but that's the one that I created just to simplify this video a little bit more. If you guys found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, or share it with a friend if you would truly like. And otherwise, I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.